Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Hope you are all fine. This is Sir Mohsin Ahmed Siddiqui, and you're watching APS Mohsin Ahmed Siddiqui YouTube channel. So, students, we are going to discuss for the class 5 topic, that is basically unit number 3, hello shapes. And you can check, we have already discussed our previous lesson, that is lesson number 1 and 2 and 3. Now we are discussing lesson number 4, that is meet Mr. Line. So I request you all basically, if you need to understand that topic, so you will just take out your books in front of you. It is very easy for you that you will basically check the book. First, we will take a look that what is basically lesson number 4. Here we have a lesson number 4. Lesson number 4, meet Mr. Line from the unit number 3. And after this lesson, you will be able to do the following, like you will just add a line into your program. So little programmer, did you know that if you want to draw a line, so you will just give him the direction to the basically turtle. But we have the another command that is basically, which is same to same, you will add in your program, you just add the line very quick. Take a look. The command is very simple. That is shapes dot add line x1, y1, x2, and y2. What about this? Because we have two heads in our one line. Like if the starting line of that, the point is here. So you will just take this point is head number 1, and this is our head number 2. Head number 1 have two axes, two coordinates like x-axis and the y-axis. And similar, you have the another hat, you have two hats like x-axis and y-axis too. Okay, now let me explain first. Here we have a graph, and you will draw just like you can say, okay, you have 0 till 400 and 0 till 300. X-axis means 0, which is start from the 0 and which is according to your small basic and your book. So take a look. So student, if you draw a line, you just need to check that we have line from starting from, if I'm drawing the line from that one, so what will you do and what you have to think about that what is the procedure. If I'm drawing a line, like I'm drawing a line like this, okay? Because I'm drawing that line, so here is the head number 1. You can say head number 1. So it has two coordinates. One is for x-axis and another is from the y-axis. The value of x is 50 and the value of y is 50 again. So it basically two coordinates. One is x1 because this is head number 1 and another is to y1 because the same head and the coordinate is y, so that's why we are taking y1. On the another line, because it's end here, you will take head number 2. Now it has two coordinates, so we will say what is the value of x? You will check from here. Okay, it is lying here, so which is middle in the between the 100 and the 150. So I will take 125. This is the value of x because we have to take the value of x first, and then we have the another value which is lying here. You will check like this. Okay, so it is lying on the 250. So I will take y value is 250. So now we have completed our two coordinates. That is because this is from the head number 2. So we will try this x2 and this is y2. Now I am checking this code in my small basic. So first you will open your small basic, which is already installed in your computer. So I'm writing here without raising this because you have to know. So first of all, you will add the shape. So shapes dot add line. Okay. Okay, let me zoom it because see, I think it's now visible to everyone. Okay, so first of all, here we have add line. So we give x1 and the y1. If you are basically inserting this line, you will have a suggestion here whenever you are giving the line. That is the similar command. I am going to copy this command. If you will basically forgot the command, it is basically a very good suggestion here. You just copy and going towards again, paste it. See, but make sure this is in the same line. Now we are putting the x1 value. So x1 is here 50. What about the y1? Y1 is 50 again. What about x2? Here is the x2 because this is from the head number 2. So we will take the 125. Y2 is 250. So I'm putting all the values inside the command. Now you will check the result. According to this, the line is starting from here and end here. So take a look. Oh, yes, it is similar that line. Now you understand how you will add the line in your small basic. So students, it's all about a coordinates. You will understand about the coordinates that if you know that you will just starting from here to there, so you will have a properly graph paper and then you will understand. Maybe you will recognize the code. It will very easy for you. So try this course and practice it. So now you will easily understand about that how you will add your line because when you write the add line command, it asks you write to x1, y1, x2, and y2. So what are these numbers? Already we have discussed. Now check the another line that is already we have starting head is x1, y1. So you can check A is the basically head number 1. So you will take 300 basically from the x. And what about the y? So y is 100 because it's lying on the y-axis. So this head becomes 300 and 100. You will check here. Now ending head. Ending head means the line which going to be end there. So this is our head number B head, head number B you can say. So in the B head, this is similar line, this is similar direction. So you will take 300 as a x2 and 300 as a y2. So check in your book 300, 300. When you type this course in your small basic, you will exactly see that the same line in front of you, which is already mentioned in your book. So try this code, boys and girls. So now let's make this exercise easier. I'm going to discuss now HWK. You will try your name as well, your starting name of your starting letters of your name, and you can just make it colorful. We already did this task that how you will color the basically brush line, brush color. So now we will try this code HWK. So using adding line command, create a program that draws HWK. So make it colorful. Okay, girls and boys, be ready and take a look. First, we need to basically, I'm going to zoom it. It will be clear for you. Okay, I'm writing a code that is basically, see, for the H. First, we need to basically graphic dot main pen color is red because H is basically a red color. So we have to give the command before writing the code. Okay, my next command for the next line is shapes dot add line 50, 50 and 50 to 50. Okay, so let's take a look. Oh, yes, my first line is ready now. You can check. Okay, again, I'm going to add the another line that is from the H symbol. Yes, that is basically shapes dot add line 50, 150, 130, and 150. You will try this and you will exactly understand that how it will look like. Okay, now check the another line, it is perfect or not. So student, if you're trying this code, you will just press the F5. Yes, this is a straight line, horizontal line because I am giving the direction and understand the graph paper. You will start 0, 50, 100, 150, 200. Then you will understand and you clearly draw this shape. Again, I'm going to put the another line. Yes, now my H is completed. Take a look. Oh, yes, H is in front of you. So students, my first letter is completing. Now moving towards the another letter, that is W. Graphic window dot pan color green, because we have to change the color first and then we will write the line, because after this line you will get all the lines in green color. So W. And then what is the next line? So we will take x1 160, here y1 50, x2 is 200, and y2 is 250. You will remember and recognize this code, it will be easier for you. So next line is basically basically you can check that from the starting head, it is basically gives the angle. So W basically needs 4 lines. Check the another line. If I am going to, because it's a straight line, then 2 lines for, you can say it's just like a triangle shape, but we need the another line, that is fourth line. Now check my W is completed or not. Yes, now we have 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have make some difference and make sure this is on the same line. You can check the code that almost all the positions are in the basically y-axis are same. And you can check from the x-axis, the same destination from the head number 1 and head number 2 will be same in your x-axis. So try to understand this codes. Now what about the last one? K shape, okay? So the first line of the K. So K needs 3 lines. Okay. So first line, we are basically change the color because this is green. If I'm not changing the color, it will give the green color. Okay. Now typing the another line, that is shapes dot add line 370, 50, 370, and 250. Because we have to draw the first line. Second line, which is gives the angle like this. And